Hey there everybody, Skip-O-Matic's Model Mania. I guess we're going to do a mail call and a stash ad update. So first I'm going to do is mail call. I got some shop cards in the mail from Rambler 69. Old Tom. His real cool one here with his malevolent looking clown. I like it. It's really cool. He sent that one, and he also sent his other card. Old Tom. The original Old Tom. And so those are the cards he sent. He also sent this cool sticker. I like that. Now I gotta decide where I'm gonna put it. I don't know if I'm gonna use it right here in my modeling room, or I don't know. I got a big tool chest at work. I might put it on my tool chest with all my other hot rod stickers and stuff. So I gotta decide where I'm gonna put this yet. I got that, and I found out that actually Tom and I only live about 2 hours apart. So hopefully somewhere here in the near future, maybe we get a chance to meet in person, meet up at some model show or something that's somewhere in between us. That'd be cool. Actually get to meet somebody in person that you comment back and forth and watch each other's channels. So I'd look forward to that. Now for my stash updates. Some of these came in the mail. I have picked up this 135 set of figures. These tank men playing cards. I assume they're playing poker maybe. It's a pretty cool set. Sitting on jerry cans. Got a card game going. I got this to go with some other stuff I've got for some of my Kubo wagons and Schwinn wagons. Little diorama I'd like to do. So got that. That's a master box. These are always pretty nice. Put that aside. And then I started collecting for my big trucks. Well, actually I can use them for any of my car and trucks. I started getting the Master Box series of the Trucker series. This one here, it comes with both Sandy and George. And yeah, I guess they call him Skip too. I'd watch out for that guy. He's probably pretty shady. Kitty James. She could be sleeping in a sleeper, or you got a van build or something. You can use her on that. Mindy. There, get her Mindy here. She's looking for a long haul partner. I bet you might want to watch out for her. She might be a killer. And we got Joni Lookout Johnson and her dog Max. And yep, you get the dog too. Pretty cool kits. See, on this box they only show 6, but the one, there's actually 9 now in this Trucker series. So I try to pick these up when I see them on sale, or they've been reduced. I know one of these box is kind of chewed up on, but the kit's good. So hopefully I'll get this whole set. I got a couple other master box sets. Maybe one day I'll pull out and show y'all. Let me put those off here to the side. And those are 1/24 scale. Let's see. Alright, let's go back to Hobby Lobby haul. I got, I already got one of these, but I picked up another one. 78 Dodge truck. It's the 40% off week. So I just can't help myself when they're 40% off. If I got a little extra change, I'll buy an extra one even if I already have it, especially one like this. There's a lot of things you can do with this kit. So I got that one. And I finally got this one I've been wanting to get. The 007, the 71 Mustang. And I already got the Galaxy. So I wanted to get this to go with it. I'd like to see about getting the Space Shuttle too. That one's out now. And that's those. And then this one got in the mail. It's one I've been wanting to get. It's the Mobius 61 Pontiac Ventura. So I finally picked that one up. This is the Super Duty. It's got the old 8-lug Pontiac Super Duty wheels. That's one of the reasons I wanted this. So that one should be pretty fun. And another one from the mail. I didn't realize this box was going to be so big with the new Revell 76 Chevy van. I remember I built this kit when it was the I think it was called the California Cruiser or something. It was yellow and had a wave on the side of it here, and I remember it back in the 70s. And I remember it because it was a promotion for Levi's or Wrangler jeans, and there was a contest to win the van through I think it was sponsored by Hot Rod or Carcraft or something. I'd have to look that all up. So I know this is the same kit, just reissued. I might even try to pick up one or two more of these. I like that van. I like it because the roof comes up. You got the interior. You can leave the roof loose so you can open up and see the back. Yeah. So this should be pretty neat. That'll be a trip down nostalgia lane building that kit, that's for sure. And this is one I'd really been waiting for. This one came in the mail. I have now completed my Haunted Manor set. I have the other three. This is the one that I really wanted to get. For years, this is the one that was hard to get. So I'm happy I got it now. I've got the whole set. So I might have to set up a build schedule and get all 4 of them built. This is my favorite one of the 4. So I'm real ecstatic I got that now. And I think that's it now for that. I think the only one last thing we've got. Don't forget, check out, if you don't already, check out Rambler 69. Tom over there, he's got a really neat channel. He's got some awesome builds. I love his builds. Go over there, check him out. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to him, support him. Good guy. And then one more thing on shop cards. Somebody sent me a box full of these. So I now have my own shop card. Somebody, yeah, I think it was one of my alter ego, I guess, ordered them. Or maybe it was Earl, I'm not sure. But yep, got my own shop cards now. So if you're interested in getting one of my shop cards, I'm going to put my email in the description. Email me your mailing address and I'll get one out to you. So I think that's it. We'll wrap that up. And yep, that's it. So I guess until next time, y'all have fun. Enjoy your modeling. Enjoy the hobby. And y'all take care. We'll catch you later.